Hey loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Bria. If you didn't know, now you know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and like this video and comment down below. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this 12-inch bob wig. This is a T-part frontal wig, so I had to do a little bit of something on this wig, child, because I look good, honey. So all the specs of this hair, I will link it down in the description box for you guys, just in case you guys want to purchase this hair. And yeah, without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into this video. So loves, everything that I'll be using in this video will be listed down in the description box for you guys, and I'll also include the link of this wig. This wig is from aliexpress, from a company called SSH, and this is a Brazilian weave, and the closure slash the front of this wig is a T-part. So this wig is very nice, you guys. It's lightweight and my head is big, you guys, so I was surprised that this wig could actually fit my head. And this wig doesn't come with all of the other things, which is your wig caps, your edge brushes and all that. I had to use my own things. And one thing I love about the closure of this wig was it came tinted, but I had to also tint it with my powder brush from Maybelline Fit Me, just so it can matches my skin tone, as you guys can actually see in this video. As you guys can see, the lace of this wig actually matches my skin tone. One thing about Maybelline Fit Me powders, you guys, you will never go wrong. You need to buy them, especially if you want to tint your lace and maybe you don't even know how to do it yourself. This is the best way to actually tint the lace of your wig. I find this step very easy and inexpensive and very quick for someone who doesn't know how to actually tint their wig. So when it comes to delivery of this wig, it took 4 days for this wig to actually arrive at my location, and I ordered this wig on a Friday, and on a Monday actually I got this wig. I didn't pay any customs or anything like that. So you guys know when it comes to customs, baby, Arimax is really ripping us off. But yeah, so I'm very impressed with the company, you guys. I will actually go back and still go buy new hair from them, and I'm very impressed with the quality of this hair. This hair smells so nice, and it took very well with the heat that I applied on this hair, and I'm very impressed, you guys. And you guys need to buy this hair. You guys need to buy this hair. So right now I'll actually cut this lace. One thing about cutting your lace, you guys need to be very careful, because you might actually cut out the actual hair of this way, so you need to go slowly. And the other thing that I need to mention, you also need to guys use a small scissor, not a big scissor, especially if you're a beginner. When it comes to me, y'all, I've been doing this for the longest time, so I just know how to go gentle when I'm actually cutting my leg. guys, before I forget, you need to cut your closure in a zigzag motion. I don't know if I'm actually making sense, you guys, but your closure slash frontal doesn't need to be straight, because your hairline obviously it's not straight unless it's just like mine. But I usually cut my lace in zigzag motion just because I like it that way, just so whenever I do mess up when I'm actually cutting it, I will actually trying to fix it at a later stage when I'm actually going to apply glue. If I'm not going to apply glue, just like how I'm not going to do in this video, I will just do it in a zigzag motion, just like how I actually showed you guys. I'll be using my foundation on the parting of this hair because I want the parting of this wig to actually look like my scalp. So you guys can actually use a foundation that's closer to your skin tone for this step as well. And sometimes if you actually do wear a wig cap, it actually shows on the parting of your wig. So this step is very important, you guys, if you want your parting to actually look like your scalp. So I'll be using the Perfect Touch mousse to moisturize my hair. I don't like to use a lot of oil on my wigs, you guys, because I hate when my wigs look wiggy. And one thing I also love to do to tame away the flyaways of my wig, since I don't have a wig stick, I use the Isoplus age control gel to help my flyaways to sleep, because baby, we don't need flyaways when we are wearing such an expensive wig, right? So I love to use it and it helps a lot, you guys. My flyaways just sleep for the whole day. They don't bother me and embarrass me in front of everyone. And right now I'll actually flat iron my wig, and then after that I'll actually trying to style it when I'm actually done. I also forgot to mention that this wig, you guys, is in jet black, and I wanted a black wig because all my wigs are like brown slash color too. So I wanted this color to actually see how it actually look on my hair, and baby, it looks very nice. I would still go buy black hair. I know most of my friends will actually judge me because everything that I have is actually black. So right now I'll actually do my edges, because I felt as if this wig, I want it to look expensive, I have to actually do my edges. So you guys can actually see how I actually do my edges. So yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm honest.
So once you're done sectioning up your hair and you're about to cut this wig, make sure that you don't cut it in a straight motion or straight a line, because it won't make sense when you're actually going to do your edges. This is how I actually did it. I don't know if I'm actually making sense, you guys, but you guys can actually see how I actually did that. If you watched this video this far, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, comment down below, baby. And don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram, because I'll be posting most of my fashion content also on my Instagram. And if you also want to see this full picture of this wig, make sure you also go on my Instagram. My Instagram is down below in the description box, and you guys can actually see also in the screen.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Right up to the side of my mountain until
enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and not watch my videos this far without not subscribing. It doesn't make sense, honey. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.
Get that.